In this video, learn how to upload content to Stories Planner in IG Planner on Planoly's web dashboard. Please note, stories are not eligible for autopost at this time as it's an Instagram limitation. However, you can still plan, schedule, and manually post them. To upload content to Stories Planner, click here above your Stories bar. You are now in your Stories Planner. To add content, click on Add Story. Please note, free Planoly users can only upload images. Paid Planoly users can upload images, videos, and GIFs. Upload content from different sources, like from your computer, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Canva. Upload a single piece of content or batch upload. If you wish to add more content, click here. You can now choose to upload your content as a carousel or as a single story. Your content is now an unscheduled story in your Stories Planner. You now know how to upload content to Stories Planner on Planoly's web dashboard. To learn more about IG Planner, visit Planoly Academy at pages.planoly.com/academy.